Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this Ozito 2000W table saw. Let's start with assembling the bevel adjustment knob. Just under the screw, grab the knob. It'll only go on one way as there's a couple of slots there. Slide it on, put the handle on, and put the screw back in. Now let's flip the saw upside down, use the bevel adjustment knob, slide it all the way over and remove the motor packing. Let's grab your legs, grab the nuts, bolts, washers, grab your first leg and the bolt and just finger tighten all the legs at this stage. Repeat this on the next 3 legs. Now grab your support struts. These just click into place. Grab the nuts, bolts and washers, then proceed to lock them in. Tighten them off as you go. Grab the rear support leg. This is important to put on because it stops the table saw from moving or tipping over when you've got long pieces of material on it. The all-important rubber feet, this will stop it moving around. Grab the extensions to the table. They're clearly marked on which side they need to go on and which way they need to face. Grab your nuts and bolts, line the holes up and lock the nuts and bolts off. Grab the left extension table and do the same as on the right side. Nuts and bolts and lock it all down. Now the rear extension table, again grab your nuts and bolts and lock it all down. Grab all the extension table supports and you'll need to undo those nuts that you loosely tightened up on your legs and connect it to the extension table and the base of the leg. Repeat this all the way around. Now finish off on the rear extension table support. Tighten everything up really nice and tight. Now we're ready to flip the table over. Now let's start working on the top of the table. Wind the blade fully up. Grab a screwdriver and remove the blade surround. Grab your riving knife, slide it in and lock it off. Now grab your blade surround again and screw it back down. Now it's time to put the guard on. So just undo the bolt, which is already there. Put it on the riving knife, push it all the way through and lock it off. Make sure the guard has still a little bit of movement in it. Grab the rip fence and the rip fence lock off handle. Slide it into place, lock off the knobs. And now your table saw is fully assembled and ready to get stuck into some of those cool projects. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video where I can give you some more tips and tricks.